Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Google Translate to translate any text, document or web page into different languages. So let's get started. So open first Google Chrome and go to the right hand side and click on this Google Apps icon and click on the Translate, and here you can see the Google Translate is open. Here you can check the web address, the translate.google.com. And you can see the left hand side, the type or paste the text you want to translate. On the right hand side, choose the language you want to text to be translated into. Okay, so here I select the English language and in translate, I want in Hindi. Okay, just click on the Hindi option. And if you want to select any other language, just click on this arrow and you can select the any other language also. Okay, after that, I just enter here the one word, thank you. And that's it. Here you can see it. Translate in Hindi language, Dhanyavad. You can change the different language. I just click on the French and here you can see the different translation as per the French language. Okay. And here you can see the one speaker icon here indicate to listen the pronunciation. So I just click on the speaker icon. See here. Same as here also. Just click on the speaker icon. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. And here have a history option. If you want to check the history, just click on the history and you can see the right hand side, all history here showing. If you want to clear all, just click on the clear all history. Okay, I just close it. And you can use this speaker icon also to translate by voice. Okay, I just clear the source text. You can use this speaker icon to translate by voice. I just click on this option and just speak, and here you can see you translate your sentence quickly in selected language. Okay. See here, the French is selected. If you want to change any other language, you can select here another language also. So I select here the Hindi and see the changes over here. Okay. So that's it. And if you want to copy this translation, just click on this copy option, copy translation. Okay, just click on it. The translation is copied. If you want to share to any other person, just click on the share translation. You can use the email option here to share it and you can share it easily. Okay. And if you want to save the translation, just click on the star icon, save translation, and it's saved. Okay, if you want to check all saved transaction, just click on the saved option and you can see the all saved transaction here. You can check it. Okay, I just close this and that's it. This is a way you can use the Google Translate for the text. Also, you can use for images, documents, and website. Okay, so let's see the all these in second video. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.